Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Ann, and if you're not, then welcome back. Glad to have you back. And what we do here is a lot of makeup related videos. We do stuff like makeup unboxings, makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, makeup looks, just pretty much anything in the beauty category, I guess. What we are doing today is another unboxing. It is the November Lashy Box. Lashy Box is a monthly subscription. It costs us, I think, $12.99 a month. So say around $13. You do pay shipping and handling. I think mine altogether adds up to be like almost $17. And I normally, on their website, it does say you get 3 to 5 pairs of lashes. But I have noticed I always get like 4 pairs of lashes. And I want to say I was getting into like, they got a new box out now for like $25 a month. But before that I was getting like 2 makeup products. Some months we do. If it's a palette, sometimes we only get like one. Like trying to cut it open. Okay. Normally I try to do that before we get started. Okay. Let me push you guys back a little bit so you can see. So here is the box. Ooh. I tell you I'm going to like this. Okay. First thing I see is this little pack. So it's got a little holder. Like, you never have too many scissors. These, I've got like a couple pairs of these, but I've got some like little scissors that's got the curve actually made for like my nail stuff. I actually threw them in here because I like them better. I like to cut my lashes and stuff with. But ooh, I like these. It's got the little curve. They sound like they'd be good. I don't have nothing to cut. And a lash, like, put your lashes on, a tool for that. They sent me one here a while back. I have a Revlon one like this. That's really good. And then I have another pink one. Let me see. I have this one, and I absolutely love it. Which this one seems like it's a little. This one's bigger than my Revlon one. This is. So this probably will work, but I'm absolutely in love with this one because all you have to do is like put on, which would be about the same concept here. And then you can just squeeze it together. So I do like that. And I do like how I've got, like, I think that's a theme. Like, I'm digging everything out. I don't use this one. It's been thrown in with makeup, but this one came with some other tools in it. I cannot remember what tools, but something came in this. Maybe, no. Tweezers. Tweezers came in this. 2 sets of tweezers. Or 1 set. You got 2 tweezers in there. And they was pink too. So I really do like that. And I'm glad that everything they send does match. And when you're, especially like when you're first starting lashes, a tool is very, very handy to have. The right tool. Some people does use tweezers. When I first started, I used tweezers. But I recommend if you're just starting to use a lash tool itself because it makes it so much easier. Okay, next thing is 2 pairs of lashes by Lashy Box. The first pair is Kiki. These are actually 3D silk lashes, so they're not made out of mink. And I love them. Okay, so the other pair is JJ. And I love these too. I just love all lashes. Like, I don't like the really thin ones, cheap made, but these I really, really like. Okay, next product. It is by May Cosmetic. It's a 9-color palette. It's Peppermint Mocha. Oh, so cute. I'm thinking, I haven't decided. I am thinking of going ahead this evening and tomorrow, something. Like, I've already been taking my fall stuff down. I know Thanksgiving ain't here yet. But I would like to start putting my Christmas stuff up. You know, you got like 20 some days after Thanksgiving. You don't even get like a whole month. But I've been thinking about going ahead and put my Christmas stuff up. If you guys have, or if you're waiting, just put it down in the comments below if you're waiting or if you're going to go ahead and do it. I'd like to know what other people does. Okay, so you do get a mirror. You're beautiful. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. Look at this. For Christmas, this green is like there. Reminds me of a pine tree. Okay, let's swatch these. Oh my God, they're so creamy. I know I, like, am around a lot of makeup because I'm obsessed with buying makeup. But that feels like really, really incredible. So here is Mocha. Look, see, it went on very smooth. But let's not always go by swatches. Candy cane. Oh, that's beautiful. Chaw spice. Eggnog. Oh. Well, I had something on my hands. Let me redo eggnog. I was trying to get it right here. That is beautiful. These colors are swatching wonderful. But what I was saying, don't always go by swatches because of the fact is with swatches, you can't always tell. Sometimes they do beautiful like this and you go put them on the eyes and they do not do it. Okay, so here is cranberry. Then here is gingerbread. I'm living for that one. Then here is peppermint. Oh, I've got to do something with that. Okay. 2 more shades. And this is whip. And green apple. Now, I don't like how that's swatched. It could be this spot. Now, what green apple's got to do with Christmas, I do not know. Everything else, like mocha, candy cane, chaw spice, eggnog, cranberry. Cranberry, like, goes 2 ways. I think of cranberry, I think of Thanksgiving dinner. Gingerbread goes along with it. Whip, of course. Peppermint, yes. But normally, like, when I see peppermint, it's more like a red color. They probably should have went with, like, this green one should have been mint, but that's up to them. I didn't name it. But green apple throws me off because I don't know if anybody knows. Please let me know down in the comments below. I don't know what green apple's got to do with Christmas. Okay, so I am, like, living for this. Okay, by Zola Lashes. They make some really incredible lashes. I've got a pair on today by them, so I know they're like really good lashes. These are different boxes than what I normally get. So these are like in a tie-dye box, watercolored or something. These are their premium 3D mink lashes. They're up to reusable up to 30 times with proper care. And these are the fairy ones. Let me take them out of the box so you can see them better. The plastic always distorts them. So here they are. I love them. Okay. They did throw in a bottle of their glue. I did just drop it, but right here it is. I did throw the glue in. Last month, I don't think, for the last couple of months, I don't think I've been getting any glue. So these are their Fling Lashes. That plastic makes it not want to focus in. So here they are. I love them. I can see myself wearing these a lot. And that is, like, if you take good care of your lashes, they will last. I do recommend when you take them off to wipe them clean and with water. I don't use a makeup wipe or anything like that on my lashes because it can tear them up and make them tear apart easier. I normally just wipe mine with water, and that's about it. And I do keep them in there. As soon as I take them off, I try to remember to put them back into their containers and put them up where they're not collecting dust. Because, you know, we're not going to wear them every day, the same pair. And I do have a lot of lashes, so I have to always make sure that I'm keeping them somewhere where they're not collecting dust and they're not doing nothing like that. You do want to watch about putting dirty lashes on your eyes because you can get an eye infection and your eyes will get raw, watery, raw, and everything. You do not want that. Okay, so that is it. Alright, so I am really, really happy with what I got. I love all 4 pairs of lashes. I don't know which one's my favorite. The Kikis are really nice, but I really like the Zola Lashes. Like, I don't know. It's like in between these two, which one's my favorite. These were the Fling and the Kikis. But I don't know. Fairy is like really good lashes too. So, I don't know. I might do a look with this in the future. So, keep an eye out for that because I think that May Cosmetics is like a really good company. They make some incredible makeup that I have used, and I am in love with their stuff. And the great thing about them is, like what I was talking about, keeping your lashes put up, is they do make a lash book. I don't have one, but they do have a lash book where you can put your lashes in and keep them safe and, you know, completely sealed up. So there's nothing in the air floating around, getting on your lashes and giving you an eye infection. And that's just the most important part. And like I said, if you are a beginner to lashes, people tells me this all the time that, you know, I have trouble putting my lashes on. I think practice makes perfect, but there's like few things you can do to help yourself. Cut your lashes to where it's going to match you. I always like to, like, I don't have no outer lashes, but I like to lay them like, here's some. Like, here is like my Rios. I don't know if I even wore these. I like to, and I always like when I'm taking them off, I like to use tools because you do got to watch. You can easily rip them. Even though I got lashes on. See, like this didn't have the cover on it, and you can see, like, just sitting there for a little bit, it's got a little dust on it. So I wouldn't like, I'd wipe these off with probably a wash rag, wash towel, and before I would put it on. And what I'd like to do is, like, lay it up on my eye, which ain't gonna work too good right now, and measure it out and see where I need it. And then I will, like, after I measured, I will cut off the outer end. Do not cut the inner end. I always cut out the outer end. And then with a tool, like I was saying, a good tool, which is one's my favorite. But I can see the way this one is. And, you know, then when you get it on there, a tool makes a lot of help because then You know, sometimes I'll hold my lashes down and then I can push it right on and hold it. And you can take the end of the tools and go put the lashes in between and squeeze down to make sure you're getting a good hold. I'm really gonna mess my lash up. But that's okay. But practice makes perfect, and just using the right stuff does work. And be careful what kind of glue you're using. Some glues do have, I forget what is in it, but it will irritate a lot of people's eyes and cause you to have running eyes, and your makeup will your lash will come off, and then your eyes makeup's ruined. So you want to be careful with that. Duo's a really good one. I use a one that I get at the Family Dollar store, or maybe even Dollar Store. It's $2. It's by Kiss, and it works wonderfully. It's black, but it just, I don't know. I love it. It lasts us all day. I don't have no problems with it. I can get out and I go four-wheeler riding with my lashes on, and I don't have to worry about my lashes blowing off or anything like that. So it's really, really good glue. And it's only $2 and it lasts us forever. But I guess that's it. Taking up a lot of your time. Just rambling on. So I guess that's it. I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to try a Lashy Box for yourself, they do have different boxes to choose from. They have this one, which is the regular box. They have the drama box where you get dramatic lashes. I love that one. And then they have just a little box where you get nothing but some lashes. And then they have the $25 box. It's called the full size box, or extra large. Extra large is the full size. It's the extra large. And you get a lot of more stuff in with it. You get palettes and makeup brushes and all that good stuff. And it's a good box. But I will leave the link down below. And I guess that is it. And I will see you on the next one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. Bye.